Summer holidays வந்தாச்சு நம்ம GT Holidays வந்தாச்சு. GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
ஸ்டோன் பெஞ்ச் மற்றும் 2D என்டர்டைன்மெண்ட் தயாரிப்பில் கார்த்திக் சுப்ராஜ் இயக்கத்தில் சூர்யா நடிக்கும் ரெட்ரோ வெற்றி நடை போடுகிறது.
Periyar Maniamai Institute of Science and Technology, Tanjavur. ECE with specialization in AI and ML, IoT, robotics and industrial automation.
We also noticed that you say Talapathi's dialogue in the audio launch.
Oh my god, yes, I did. But honestly, when I said it, after that I got to know that it's Thalapathy dialogue. Yeah, because I was looking for a cute sentence, like, I wanted to deliver my speech in a Tamil. So I just find out that, okay, this word is really good and I really like that particular word. When he narrated me the script, I was really thrilled because I have never heard this kind of a script where I have to play 3 characters. And great actor directors, GVM sir, Silva Raghavan sir, Muttarajan sir, and Maran sir, Kinsley, so many people, and everybody's so good in acting.
Definitely. And Santanam sir, about Santanam sir.
Yeah, he's very kind. Very, very kind.
Okay.
Like, I can't even let you finish this question, and I really want to say that he is like a multi-talented guy. He's a family man, but he's actually taking care of everything in the film.
If at all you go into the film, some film, which film you'll pick to go inside the film?
I would say romantic film, okay, because I love romantic films. So I would
Same
say,
pinch.
Yeah. I really like 3 film. I think
Wow.
Dhanush film.
Yes.
Yeah.
And now tell us about the producer Sir Arya, because he's also a big actor in Hollywood.
Yeah.
So how was it meeting him, talking to him and being in part of film?
He's really a good person, a good-hearted person, and earlier I have never met him, but once or twice we met on a set only. He came and he just watched like whatever is happening as a producer.
How are you? How have you been? And how is Tamil cinema receiving you?
It's all good. It's really great experience, and the people here, they are really nice.
And we also noticed that you say Talapathi's dialogue in the audio launch.
Oh my god, yes, I did. But honestly, when I said it, after that I got to know that it's Thalapathy dialogue. Yeah, because I was looking for a cute sentence, like, I wanted to deliver my speech in a Tamil. So I just find out that, okay, this word is really good and I really like that particular word. So I just said it, and then after that everybody's saying, who's this, whose dialogue is this, whose dialogue is this. I'm like, okay, fine, sure, which is good. I really like him. Okay. So that's not an issue.
So yes. And how did you come as a part of DD Next Level? How did it happen?
Can I tell you the truth?
Yeah.
So I was about to go to UK for one more Tamil film.
Wow.
Yes, I don't want to say the name of the actor and films. So what happened? They said we're gonna go it in a summertime. So suddenly they changed the plan. I was sitting at home, and one day I just got a call from a manager, and then he said, Gitika, are you free? I said, yeah, I'm free. Why? What happened? Then he said, no, there is a one film, and if you are okay, we can just proceed it. And then I'm like, oh my god, really? But I have to go there, and they are not even saying which date we are moving and all of that. Then suddenly at night, I said, you know what? Let's do this and finish it off.
Okay.
And then I said yes. And in 2 days, they called me here and then we started shooting.
Wow, it was all sudden.
It's all sudden, yeah.
Okay. So it was all sudden, but when the director narrated to you,
Yes.
how was it? How was the story? And it's a very different subject as well.
It is very, very different genre. But the thing is, when he narrated me the script, I was really thrilled because I have never heard this kind of a script where I have to play 3 characters. And that too, it's a very different characters, and especially the ghost part where I'm very scared and I have to play ghost. So I was like, sir, are you really sure? So first he narrated me those 2 characters. I was like, very fine. I said, yes, sir, let's go ahead. Okay. But when he narrated me like a ghost, I'm like, oh, really? Then I said, okay, fine. It's really good. It's a good performance-oriented character. So yeah, I said, yeah, why not?
Yes.
Let's do
And
it.
3 different roles in a one movie
Yes.
is like a hamper for an actor, right?
Yeah.
So, and it's a different topic as I mentioned.
It is.
And there's a lot of cast in this movie.
Yes.
It's
They
a huge.
all are really good. Like a great actor, directors, GVM sir, Silva Raghavan sir, Muttarajan sir, and Maran sir, Kinsley, so many people. And everybody's so good in acting. like everybody is like a single take artist.
Okay.
So I had a pressure that, Gitika, you have to do it in a single take. Otherwise, these people will do it and then they will run off. So yeah, it was a great journey, I would say.
And I was really keen in asking this. How was it acting as a ghost? Like, it's different. I think you're very scared also. How was it?
It is very different. It is very different. But, I think when director will explain the story, the performance, that what you have to adapt, what you have to think that what you actually are. So it's kind of just go with the flow and just feel whatever the character is and then go ahead.
Super. And did you get any jump scare seeing you in the mirror? Sometimes you just forget that you are a ghost and...
No, not really. That's too much, I feel. If I say yes. So
Yes.
not really.
Yes, but I think it's very challenging also for you to play all the characters, switching
it is, because I have to scream like crazy. I have to jump from the top to down, and then I just have to kill like this, that. So I can appear anywhere, So that is really a task for me. And the difficult task was when I was doing a rope scenes.
Okay.
So it's super, super difficult. It's super scary because, they are just throwing me here and there. So it was a really difficult task. But honestly, I love filming. I enjoy whatever different scenes they will give. And I said, I really want to do it. I just want to look good in the camera.
Definitely, who is not?
Yeah, I want people to come and see me in the theater, and then, like different role. It's a beautiful journey, and I just want to explore whatever comes.
Definitely. And Santanam sir, about Santanam sir.
Yeah, he's very kind. Very, very kind. Like,
Okay.
I can't even let you finish this question, and I really want to say that he is like a multi-talented guy. He's a family man, but he's actually taking care of everything in the film, like a producer, director, writer. As I already mentioned, again, I'm mentioning it. So he's like a different person. And I asked sometimes, sir, how you handle all these things? At the same time, the pressure is from family. What are you doing? Have you eaten? Like, all good? Do you need anything? Okay, so we need. So like, the family work is going on. Other side his film is going on. Other side, like, what is the next plan? What is his next film?
Okay.
So many things he does it at one time. And I was like, wow, that's called artist, because I have seen people, but not this kind of people, like who handles or, take everything by his own. So it's very difficult.
Yes. And I've seen many people mention about his hard work.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He's too
even
hard.
Sundar C sir, the director.
Yes.
He
I saw
told-
that video, right?
Yeah, I was like, really?
But that is real truth.
Okay.
Because whenever we go for a shoot, so what he does he actually writes, and we start the shooting. Okay. After the take, they watch it. And if something comes on his mind, then he again go and he will give another take for that and a different one. So that passion towards the cinema, I really wish that, I can contribute a little and then my life is sorted.
Okay.
So just a contribution, the dedication is really important. And I'm like, heads off to him, I would say. It's not I'm exaggerating or anything, but I really appreciate him.
I know. If you say, I think it's...
Yeah. Because I have never seen. Till now, I
Yeah.
have never seen. Yeah.
Yes. And I think the most difficult writing is comedy, the dialogues.
Yeah.
You can write other stuffs. You can
Other
make people
stuff, yeah.
making people laugh is very hard.
Yeah, because you don't know whether they will laugh or not, right?
True. And horror entertainment, that is also a different
Exactly.
genre.
Yeah.
Yes. And I think that is also a credit for your role, since you play a comedian, then an actress, then an horror ghost. I think it's a mixture for you.
It's a mixture of emotions and the beautiful transitions, we can say. Yeah.
Yes. And talking about the other cast people, there are 2 directors in the set.
Of course.
was it?
Yeah. That's what, like, they all are really good. They're very, very perfectionist. They just come, they think, and then they just go ahead. Like, no attitude that we are director, we are actor, like no attitude. Even like when I sit with them, I don't have much scene, but when I sit with them, when I see them talking and working, then I said, sir, like, I'm so thrilled to work with you all. They are really good. They're really good. The way they act through the eyes, oh my God. I was like, oh.
Like a wow
Wow.
factor. Yes. So we saw the trailer. We have a little picture of how the movie it's going to be.
Okay.
Like all the people, they're going to come into the movie. And andamari or sort of a genre. So if at all you go into the film, some film, which film you'll pick to go inside the film?
I would say romantic film, okay, because I love romantic films. So I would
Same
say,
pinch.
Yeah. I really like 3 film. I think
Wow.
Dhanush film.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you wanted to be Shruti Hassan or just want to witness the movie?
I don't know. I just wanna, explore that story or that character. Yeah, with lots of love.
Getting into the horror movie, which person you want aside? Anybody?
Ah, no, I don't know. Whoever suits the character, right?
Oh no. Like if you want to survive in the movie, get into the horror movie and I tell you to survive in the movie,
I'll survive alone. I don't need anyone. What are you talking?
you go alone.
Yeah, why not?
Even the director, the Prem, no, he told this answer yesterday when we were shooting him.
Is it?
Yeah, he told I'll go alone.
Yeah.
I was like, why? I'm the director of the film. I can go alone.
No, I will go alone because I'm a ghost, right? I'll deal with everything.
No, you're not a ghost. You're a normal person. You're going into a movie.
Yeah, but that's a ghost, no?
You are Geetika. Geetika is getting into a horror movie.
But still, I'll go alone.
Okay, good answer.
What can I do? Because if someone will come, he will scare me more, no?
True. And yes, speaking about horror films, music plays a vital role in being in the jump scares or the BGMs and all. How has the music worked for you in this film?
Music is really close to my heart. I would really want to say this because I love music. I love old musics and I love like all the musics, honestly. Like all the romantic music and this. And in this film, the Afro, which he gave that song, I love it. That Govinda, where I really performed. I actually know the like particular words. Word to word, I have just mugged up that song.
You want to sing to us?
No.
You know, the next question was that, right? You're expecting that question? Or?
See, I can't say I'm a very good singer, but I just don't want to sing like that because I don't want people to,
I get it all the time. So, speaking about the movie, the runtime and the other stuff, how was the shoot? Because we saw the trailer and it was full fun.
Yeah.
And
but actually, it was not funny.
Uh-huh.
It was not funny. Like everybody, first of all, they were very serious while shooting because,
Okay.
you have to complete in a particular time and this particular things and all of that. I have got lots of allergies. Yeah. Not because of particular makeup, but it's because of dust. It's because like we are continuously shooting that, dust thing with the fan, with the leaves outside. So even the hero, sir. So we all got we did actually hard work, lots of effort. And yeah, so it's not that easy, which you saw in the theater, in the trailer. I'm so sorry. And, but again, I would say there is much more which you can't expect in a trailer.
Okay.
There's a lot more. And I'm sure when you watch the film, you're going to thrilled by seeing a different more characters, a different more stories there. So it's so beautiful.
And usually when we see Sandhanam sir on the trailer, he'll be all over. The dialogues
All
make
over,
us
yeah,
laugh.
yeah.
But in this particular trailer, he was a little underplay. Like he's very quiet. He's spitting out some dialogues, but all that in a very, very subtle way. So-
Maybe because he was actually living that character which he played, because it's Kissa character. And the Kissa is very a family boy, but at the same time, he has to, do so many things for the other people. So actually, according to me, if I would say, he actually played and lived that Kissa character.
Wow, that's amazing. Yeah, we can witness that in the trailer. And now tell us about the producer, Sir Arya, because he's also a big actor in Hollywood.
Yeah.
So how was it meeting him, talking to him, and being in part of film?
He's really a good person, a good-hearted person. And earlier, I have never met him. But once or twice, we met on a set only. He came and he just watched whatever is happening as a producer. But they all are very nice. They are supporting. They never said no to me. Everybody, even a director, the hero, the producers, they are good listeners. They never said no for anything. whatever I ask, whatever we need on this set. So they are very cooperative, I would say. And Arya sir is always making me comfortable. That Gitika, are you comfortable? Do you need anything? So that's like that.
Great. And now you have to tell me what are all the future projects you want to work with? Any particular directors or particular actor you want to work with?
No, like I will, love to go with good directors, good script, whatever comes and whatever touches my heart, I'll just go with that.
Yes. Thank you so much for this fun interview.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.
Summer holidays வந்தாச்சு நம்ம GT Holidays வந்தாச்சு GT Holidays South India's #1 travel brand.
ஸ்டோன் பெஞ்ச் மற்றும் 2D என்டர்டைன்மெண்ட் தயாரிப்பில் கார்த்திக் சுப்ராஜ் இயக்கத்தில் சூர்யா நடிக்கும் ரெட்ரோ வெற்றி நடை போடுகிறது.
Periyar Maniamai Institute of Science and Technology, Tanjavur. ECE with specialization in AI and ML, IoT, robotics and industrial automation.